we're not going to get there at noon. At the very best.
Well, plus they have
We're
to
gonna
drive us.
We're gonna have to stop for a little lunch somewhere, so
And they have
Right.
to drive us to the
I think we
place.
should assume and then they have to get there, we're gonna fill out paperwork, give them money. They have to portage us, drive us over 20 miles. We have to assume we're not even gonna start until 2 in the afternoon, even if we're not taking.
That's close we're not taking. Geez, it's already raining and we're going to Boundary Waters in the morning. This is all our stuff. Kevin's on his way.
Oh, I'll get the butter melting over the top of it, running down the side for dramatic effect.
So is this what this?
I can. Probably be a little flattened by the time we get there, but you know what?
Yeah, we'll just have flatbread.
The second point is that there's no lifeguard out there, and we're not there to point out the slippery and uneven terrain. So watch out for each other.
First time or?
For me, it's the first time I've been up here in years.
Okay.
Like 30.
I've never been.
No, 40.
Yeah, I'm from
That was a
Minnesota. Bon voyage! We're off!
We're on our way.
We're getting a little wet already, but you know, what are you gonna do?
And we also don't know where the map or the compass is. Hey.
Hello! At the first portage, we should get better order. We got the little roughs if you wanted to go or whatever. Probably could have put everything in plastic then. Our first portage. How did it go? Oh no.
Back tripping over rocks. This would just be easier.
I agree.
Was it easy to get it up? To get it on your back?
Randy helped me.
Oh. The food, yeah, it's gonna be a problem. Do you think there's bears on the side?
We have a log here to tie on to.
This is Kevin's hammock. Believe it or not, these trees are all burned and falling down, but he found two that would hold a hammock. It's pouring rain. We managed to get our tent up over there. Here's our campsite in the pouring rain. The zipper broke on our fly. We have tarps over rain flies over the backpacks. How you doing, Randy?
What do you think about this trip so far?
Oh, it's fabulous. I can't feel my toes. All our pillows and sleeping bag are wet. Kevin's under a tarp with his hammock tied to two dead trees that are probably going to tip over in the middle of the night.
We survived.
We survived the
Rainiest
night.
night in hell.
It's probably the worst night ever. Everything in here is soaking wet.
Did you enjoy last night?
It was great. What did you think, Kevin? How much sleep did you get?
Oh, I didn't get any sleep.
Arm around here, and then you get it on your leg, and the other one there. Oh, I see.
I think you put one on. I think what you do is you put one on here, you lift it up, and then you wrap the other one around.
Oh, I see. But you get it on your leg.
You lift it up and get it on your leg. Okay. And then you put your other arm out.
Okay. Are you filming? Go like this.
Squat down, squat, bend, get on your thighs. Gee, the guy from the canoe shop made it look so easy.
I can't get my arms here. There. Don't overthink it. Curl it on here. I can't do it. Can someone help?
No.
It's not that bad. You just
No,
have to
it's not. It's the balance.
I can breathe. I'm keeping my crazy day. Lots of portaging, but at least it rained some. But we're here at the campsite and it's not raining. So we've got all our everything's wet. We're hoping we can get it to dry in the stick, but it's not going to dry. It's still better than last night. I'm making chicken and dumplings for Kevin and pasta.
Well, I need to brush my hair.
So are you enjoying yourself, Kevin?
Today's better than the rest.
It is pretty good. We're getting a lot of canoeing in.
Yes.
But the last 2 nights have been...
Just nightmares.
Yeah, but we're doing our best.
Man, this stuff gets heavy when it gets wet.
So we need to prepare our bear bag, although we're not using it yet. And we need to filter a lot of water.
Boy, our tent's really kind of drying. Our pads are drying. Sleeping bag's sort of drying. So what lake are we on, Kevin? It's dinner time. Pepper beef with rice, beef stroganoff, and kung pao chicken. These are going to blow over and it'll be a disaster.
Just softly.
Back up, he's got the... Hold on, let me get the whiskey away from the explosion zone.
Something's happening. We have fire.
Hammock. It's fabulous. This is the first night that he's going to actually enjoy his hammock. Wait! It worked! Oh my god, Randy! What the fuck happened?
Nathan's drinking coffee and tent before getting up.
It's about probably 10 degrees warmer in here than out there.
Out here is not very warm,
Coffee's hitting a spot.
but we have to get our gear together and go. At least it did not rain last night. It was windy and cold, but it did not rain.
Hello! This is my long portage.
It's a tough one. It's our longest portage we've done. But look how beautiful it is here. Okay. I'm gonna go back and get the paddles. You okay?
Yeah. Are my pants falling down?
I can't tell. Oh, I'll get the paddles. Some fun, huh?
Oh, God. Oh, he's amazing, though.
I'm telling you.
You've got... Kevin, can you lift up the bag?
Yeah.
Okay. How are you gonna do that then, Randy? Okay, no, lift it up. Lift it up.
Yeah.
You on it? You got it?
Okay. Ah, your head.
It's all right. It's okay.
You okay?
It's okay.
I think so.
Ay, 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 ay.
What? Okay, we gotta get this off me.
Okay.
I was gonna flip it that way, right?
That way.
Well, which way? Okay. Okay, we're stuck after this portage before getting into, what's the name of the big lake? The lake we're heading into?
Don't know.
Ben or Beth Lake, and the winds are hellacious, so we're kind of okay. Kevin's making a lean-to because we can't get out of this bay in the wind, so then we're probably going to camp another night. We're not panicking yet, though, are we, Randy?
Not much. Okay, this is, we hope, our last day. We were stuck on our portage spot because of the wind kicked up the lake last night. I just showed you some bear poo. Don't step in.
We think it's wolf.
Wolf, bear poo, something. I had took a picture. So this is
This is a great best trip of my life. I don't know what the hell you two are
You
whining
need to stare
about.
right into the camera and say that.
anyway, this is our last portage. We have a short little lake to finish and go down, and then we're done with this long, grueling, annoying trip.
Well, it is amazing what you can do when adversity's against you. This is definitely the most trying camping trip of my life.
I would agree with that.
Yeah, you're right. Kevin said it all. I mean, turns out that storm was like this huge storm, trees down, the whole thing. Thank God we didn't go out in it. But you know, we were warm. I think we were really resourceful. We got out of the wind and stayed warm and didn't split up. And
It's all good.
I agree.
We're done now.
You've got a good story to tell.